This is Dr. Padmaja, consultant dermatologist and trichologist at Regrowth Skin and Hair Clinic, Hyderabad. Today, let us discuss in detail about newer modality of treatment in the management of hair loss, that is GFC. GFC stands for growth factor concentrate. It is a newer modality of treatment which we have been using since last 4 to 5 years. GFC is nothing but a modified PRP or platelet-rich plasma. We make use of own growth factors to stimulate your hair growth cycle in GFC. GFC has been authenticated and corroborated scientifically by countless number of case studies and clinical trials that show how effective and safe it is. The activated growth factors which are prepared in the GFC are introduced into your scalp, where the growth factors are delivered into your hair follicles, thereby halting the hair loss as well as promoting newer hair growth. Hair growth occurs in a continuous process characterized by 4 phases. All these contribute to something called a hair growth cycle. So the 4 phases include anagen phase, which is a growth phase, catagen, which is a regression phase, telogen, which is a dormant or rest phase, and also exogen, which is a shedding phase. So these growth factors which we have been talking about are like messengers that send signals to the cells for optimal functioning. So these growth factors send messages to lengthen the anagen phase of the hair cycle, thereby boosting the hair growth. So let us see some of the various types of potent growth factors that help rejuvenate the hair follicles, which increase the hair thickness and volume, and also strengthen the hair shafts. First and foremost, platelet-derived growth factors. These growth factors activate the mesenchymal cells in the tissues of scalp and induce multiplication of the cells, thereby increasing the anagen phase. Next comes the vascular endothelial growth factors. These boost the growth of newer blood vessels around the hair follicles, thereby increasing the blood circulation around your hair follicle, which lead to increased oxygen delivery to your hair. Next comes the insulin-like growth factor 1, IGF-1 we call it. This will increase the hair growth by maintaining the anagen phase and preventing the hair follicles from entering into the catagen phase. Then epidermal growth factor, which is a protein that promotes the tissue regeneration. So let us now see briefly what are the advantages and disadvantages of GFC treatment. First and foremost, it decreases your hair fall significantly, promotes much thicker, longer and voluminous hair. It battles alopecia very significantly. It is a completely painless, or rather a very less painful procedure and non-invasive procedure. You will get much quicker results compared to PRP, and it is an absolutely safe procedure approved by FDA. Since we use specialized tubes which are already sterilized, this treatment is contamination free, so very low or zero chances of infection. It has excellent stability. GFC remains viable even at room temperature for about 8 hours, and it also remains viable for up to 4 weeks when stored at low temperatures like 4 degrees Celsius. So this is an added advantage compared to PRP, where PRP doesn't remain viable at room temperature. It needs to be stored at a very low temperatures. Next, disadvantages ఏముంటాయో చూద్దాం GFCకి. It is an absolutely safe procedure. పెద్దగా disadvantages ఏమీ ఉండవు. Little pain and swelling, inflammation post procedure are expected with any treatment. Since మనం పోక్ చేస్తాం, స్కిన్లోకి ఇంజెక్షన్స్ ఇస్తాం కాబట్టి, your consultant dermatologist or trichologist can very easily tackle that pain and inflammation post procedure, which are seen in very few patients. So with the help of some drugs, anti-inflammatory agents, painkillers ద్వారా చాలా రేర్గా కనిపించే పెయిన్ స్వెల్లింగ్ని చాలా ఈజీగా ట్యాకిల్ చేయొచ్చు. How frequently this GFC has to be done, and when can I expect the results is a common doubt that encounter many of the patients. So GFC is usually done once in every 3 to 4 weeks. That means 1 month apart. Usually many of the patients are required minimum of 4 sessions of GFC, but it again depends on the severity of baldness and area of baldness you are facing. Coming to the results, significant results can be seen in 3 months, but a dramatic hair growth requires at least 6 months of waiting period. So once the around 4 sessions of GFC are done, usually you need maintenance sessions of GFC once every 3 to 4 months. That comes to 3 to 4 GFC treatments per year. How soon can I go back to work? So this is again another common question that is being asked. Once the GFC is done, next day itself you can go back to your work, but you need to wait for a few days, like 2 to 3 days, before you go back to your workout, gym or any kind of physical training. Then what is the difference between PRP and GFC? See, GFC is nothing but a modified PRP. So in conventional PRP, we use normal tubes which contain anticoagulant, whereas in GFC we used specialized tubes which has gen filters. So these filters work more efficiently in extracting the growth factors from the platelets. GFC is comparatively a painless procedure compared to PRP, or rather a very less painful procedure, because this is a acellular concentrate. That is, there are no cells in the concentrate, whereas PRP has platelets in it. So since it is acellular, while we injecting the solution into your scalp, the pain is very less compared to PRP. And coming to the cost of the procedure, GFC costs somewhere around 10,000 per session, but again it is variable from clinic to clinic, and it is also variable depending on the area of baldness and severity of baldness you are facing. So why choose us? We at Regrowth Skin and Hair Clinic offer you one-on-one consultation by carrying out a detailed examination of your scan. We also discuss the treatment plan along with your concerns and queries about the procedure. We are one of the first clinics that offer GFC treatment with years of experience and thousands of treatments behind us, led by a skilled and accomplished team. So do consult now. Our team will guide you all through the procedure with pre-care and post-care mandates and advice. I hope in this video I have cleared all your doubts regarding GFC treatment. If you have any more doubts, please let us know in the comment section. Thank you.